This is how you're going to collect emails on ManyChat. So first step, you're going to head over to your ManyChat website, and then from here, you're going to head over to the left side panel and then click on automation. Now from here, we're just going to create a new automation by clicking on the new automation button right there at the top right. And then from here, you're going to click on start from scratch. You're going to click on start with a blank. And then from here, we're just going to set up a new trigger first. So for this one, you can choose to add a keyword or from a comment or maybe a message. But for this one, I'm just going to click on use your comments on your post. Now we're going to set this up on the left side panel. Now from here, you're just going to choose among this. So reply message will be sent when a follower leaves a comment below. So you can either choose a specific post or any post. So this means that this will be triggered if someone comments on any specific post that you want or any of the posts that you do. So for this one, I'm just going to select any post. And then from here, you can choose either if a comment contains any words or if you want to set only specific words. So for example, I'm going to set specific words like this comment will include hello. So if it detects the word hello, this will be triggered. So I'm just going to click on save right here so that this trigger will be saved. Now from then, we're going to click on the first step. So once this gets triggered, this will happen. So I'm going to click on messenger once again. And then from here, I am going to click on data collection right here under the content blocks. So I'm going to click on content collection. This one allows you to collect emails. So for this one, we're going to select the contact's reply, but we're just going to enter the text right here. So for example, the text is hello there. And then the question is, would you like to sign up? So let's just type this. And then from there, you're going to click on this blue message right here. So we're going to click on that. And instead of text, we're going to change the reply type from text into email. So this one allows the respondent to reply with their email. So this will prompt them to enter their email. So as you can see, you can set the email opt-in, and then this email will be saved to the system field. And that's it. However, you can also set this if contact has not responded, the data collection will expire in 30 minutes. You can change this if you want. You can change this to hours or days, depending on how long you want this to be available for them. Now, you can also choose a next step right here if you want to add more steps into this and turn it into a sequence. But all in all, that's all that you need to do. And that's it. That is how you are going to collect emails on ManyChat. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.